Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday freebie. Today is a very special Friday freebie. It's an unusual for me free printable because I don't really do steampunk as much, but little treat for you, highly requested. There you go, you ask and I deliver. Enjoy guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Friday. Weekend off for me. Actually, I'm working tomorrow, but just doing as an extra shift just to help out at work. But normally this would have been my weekend off, but I'm off Sunday and Monday, which is nice. Guys, highly requested freebie, and I'll give you some details in a moment. So before we show you this, several of you have asked me to design a steampunk collection of papers, which I'll show you. I haven't printed them off simply because, guys, steampunk is not really my cup of tea. So when I was designing, I was like, oh, it's actually, yeah, it looks nice, but my mind went completely blank. So literally, like, blank. I said, oh, what am I going to do with it? So, and that is the reason why I have not printed off the papers. And to be fair, guys, I don't think I will ever use them, but I know a lot of you love steampunk, so I have designed a paper, but I'll show you on my computer so you can see the 4 pages. It's part of my mini collection, so it's only 4 pages and it's only £1.50. But yeah, so this one is being created, this freebie today, to literally complement that kit, so to go really nice and match that. So if you don't know if you already bought that, this freebie will literally go really well together. But before I show you this, let me show you the kit. Okay guys, so this mini kit, as all the minis, have 4 pages. So the first page is this one here that you see on the screen. So you've got 4 vintage postcard sort of shapes. So you've got the traditional postcard with the stripes and couple. In fact, if I zoom out, oh, you can see the page a bit better. Okay, so this is page 1. In fact, yeah, so like that. Page 2, you get 4 tags and 4 embellishments. I love this hat. Reminds me of the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. And then you got your air balloons embellishment. So these are traditional A4. Third page is probably my favorite. Is a collage I made using all bits and pieces. Very steampunk. And page number 4, you get 4 different backgrounds into one, so you can make tags, can be used as a card backdrop, as a card base, or even vintage junk journal cards, or you can use them to decorate little notebooks. So very, 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 very steampunk. You get 2 corners on each side, so that's facing left and that's facing right, and also you get 2 or 1, depends how you use it, little index pockets, and then 4 embellishment, so you can do exactly what you want with it. So what I've done, I created a floating pocket. So I put some of my little folk stamps we made together. I got a video of this if you guys are interested. I will put the link down below and also at the end of the video. So if you wanted to, just go and have a look. But they're super cute, super cute stamps. Well, folk stamps. So, but you can put anything small in this pocket. So what I've done, simply cut these. And because you get the 2 tabs on each side and 1 on the bottom, it makes this look like quite not 3D, but you get quite a lot of room in it. So yeah, but if you wanted to, you can use that as double, so you can make it really large. But I fancy something quite small, that's why I put like this floating pocket. But again, you can make that twice the size, or you can print this on a cardstock and fold it so you've got front and back, rather than, because what I did here, I just put on the black cardstock. But what you can do, you just simply print that, fold it, and glue it together back to back. So both sides will be with the paper, with the steampunk papers. And then the back of the pocket, I put the two, the floating pocket, I put the two corner tucks. So one there and one there. Now, yeah, I thought it will be, yeah, because it's not dry yet. But because I rush, and I need to learn to wait and be patient. Let me just put some more glue. Just, see it's spilling off here. So I just need to put a tiny bit of glue. Well, don't be like me. When you glue them, leave some time. And yeah, so that's your pockets. I mean, they're super cute. These floating pocket, you can use them as a good bookmarks, or again in your journal, or you can clip them into a page. So if you, I don't know, if you gift to a journal or if you sell a journal, then person can just lift this up and use it as and when, or you can just glue it each way. I don't really mind. You do what you think, what you like. So guys, as usual, 2 ways to get this. This gets sent out automatically every Friday, 9 p.m. to all the members on my newsletter. And I send 1 email a week, so I'm not here to spam anybody because I haven't got time. So yeah, I would suggest, guys, join my newsletter. All the details are linked down below, so you don't have to do anything. It just gets sent to you every Friday. The only thing you need to do, you just save it onto your computer and print it out. Or if you don't want to, you can just join my Facebook group. And if you click on it, once I okay it, you click on files and you get all the freebies I have done in the last 2.5 years now. So, or you can do both ways. Join the newsletter so you don't have to do anything, and also go to my Facebook and download the rest of the freebies. There are about, I think, 120 freebies. So yes, happy crafting. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Yeah, I think it's quite cute. Let me know if you like the steampunk kit, if you want me to make another one, maybe something a bit bigger, because I only make a 4 pages kit. But if you want a complete kit, if I see that there's quite a lot of people are interested, then I'll create a bigger one. But if not, I will put the link down below so you can go and check it out. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, big thumbs up, because it really helps with the channel and the video doing well, and helps me create more free content for you guys. If you like steampunk, I've done a few other videos. I will put the link on the screen somewhere here now. So if you crave some more inspiration, don't forget to click on. And until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.